We got a pleasant surprise when tax time came around this spring. We got a $742 tax credit on our income tax because of the solar installation. I knew in the past that the government had an incentive for installation of solar and wind too, I think, but I thought that was over and done with. So this was a pleasant surprise we ended up with. So this will take our total installation cost down $742, and will also shorten up our payback time. It's been another 6 months through the winter months, and I'll take a reading now to show you what we had so far. It might be a little hard to read, but right now we have a total of 4,015.3 kilowatt hours since the installation, and right at this moment right now is putting out 1,806 watts in the sun. So for this past 6 months, it's pretty close to what we had for the first 6 months when we first installed it. This was the original cost breakdown, and now I can subtract $742 from this total. And like I mentioned before, this will now reduce the payback time. The savings is $336.31 per year. With a total of 2,802.6 kilowatt hours, and at 12 cents per kilowatt hour, the total savings for the year was $336.31. So now taking the adjusted total cost with that tax credit and dividing it by the savings per year of $336.31, the payback time is now 6.28 years, and we're already a year and a half into that. If you like the content in this video, I just started a new YouTube channel called Life in the Outskirts. It's about life in the outskirts of small town Minnesota, northern Minnesota. It'll be geared more towards homesteading and projects like the solar installation, wood heating, and unique construction projects. I'm still inventing and experimenting, but I have some other fun projects going on, and if you think you might be interested in something like that, check it out. Thanks for watching.